Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a long time, 2 months, but I'm back with another video, and today I am back with an Aliexpress haul, major Aliexpress haul. So of course Aliexpress has been trending. Well, yeah, it's been trending really big on YouTube and everywhere, so everybody's getting hip to Aliexpress, and that's good. And I'm gonna get y'all hip too to all the good teas, you know. I've been shopping with Aliexpress since 2015, so I am a diamond member, getting ready to be platinum. Yes, I had been with them for a very long time, even when their quality of clothes, hair, all of that stuff was some trash. But Aliexpress had came a long way, and I'm here to show you guys and prove it to you guys. I know I came back looking bomb, right? Like, sheesh, like, who is this girl? Who? Come on, screenshot. Y'all already know Hair by Me. If y'all don't know Hair by Me, Style by Nate Grady on Instagram. Go check me out. I have 5 pages. Yes, I'm an entrepreneur. I have all my own business, and I love it. And I work outside the house. Girl boss. Okay, well, enough talking. Let's get into this video. I have a lot to show you guys, so I'm just going to start off with the accessories. I'm not going to get my jewelry as far as the necklace and bracelets because I don't feel like getting them. They are put up. But I'm just going to start off with these head pieces. These are the hairpins. And I don't know if you guys know, but these are also trending. This one says sweet, and I also got boys. So it just look like that. I will also leave down the price on the screen somewhere. If not, please forgive me. You can just go search them up yourself, hairpins. And I will also I'm not gonna I don't know, I might insert some pictures of me wearing the items, and I also can, I don't know, but yeah, you can also check out my Instagram, Fashion_ofnay, to see how I wore some of these pieces. The next item is these sunglasses. I actually got 3 pairs of sunglasses. The other one is in my car, and the other one is not here yet. But these right here are so freaking bomb. They got the diamond rhinestone going around the frame, and they are black. Like, sweetie, you can't tell me nothing. I have not wore none of these shoes yet. Actually I lied, I wore 1 pair. But these are the first pair. These are these cute little flat tan sandals, and they have like just silver and black detailing going around the bottom of the foot. And I also have this gold little bangle with pearl for a cute little accessory. Like, it is so freaking cute, and it fits me very perfect. I got the size 39, so I guess the 39 is the size 7 or 7. No, the 39 is 7.5. Yeah, so if you're looking to get some sandals, you can go for me. I have very small, narrow feet, so these are 7.5, and they are very good quality. No bad smell, none of that. Are these bomb sandals with the green bottoms. Y'all know lime slimy is in, it's trending. So these are cute. Got the holographic little straps, and they're also white. And yeah, this is what they look like. I also had got the size 38. These are size 7. They fit perfect. So 38 is the 7, 39 is the 7.5. So this is what these look like. Are these mustard color little platform sandals. They do lace up. I have worn these already. But this is what they look like. And this lace up part look like the curtain rod. Not the curtain rod, the curtain little thing, you know what I'm talking about, that ties around the curtain. This rope reminds me of that, but they are so cute. And I had got these in a size a 7 or 7.5. Or the last pair of shoes are these, also trending. Everybody has them, but it's okay. We all can be looking the same, you know. So this is what they look like. They are super cute, high platinum platform. I said platinum platform shoes, and I got these in a size 7 or 7.5. I got these in a size 7. These are size 38. And this is what they look like. And I had also made me this bomb crochet shirt to go with these. Also follow me on Instagram. I do crochet. My name is Crochets by C. Since I'm talking about crochet, I'm just going to show you guys one of my pieces right now. This is a swimsuit slash bodysuit. This is in my Glam collection. It is the high waist bikini one. It is very cute though. So this is what this looks like. I do have to add some flowers right here, and after that this is done. So if you guys want to check me out, if you guys want to purchase some items, you can just go on my Instagram. You can DM me or text the number in the bio. I do shipping worldwide. So yeah, get you some cute little pieces. The first item is these cute little snake skin shorts. They are lime and black, because you know lime is in the slimy. So I got me a pair of these shorts. I have not worn them yet, and I think I got these in a size medium. So I got these in a size medium. I will insert a picture of the model. Any items that I have not worn, I will insert the picture of the model. Yeah. The next item is this cute crop top one shoulder shirt. It looks like this. You can either wear it to the left, or I'm sorry you guys, this is my left, this was you guys left. So yeah, to the left, to my left, but to my right, to you guys right. Get it? No? Okay. Anyways, this is the crop top off the shoulder shirt. I have not worn this yet, and I got this in a size medium, I think. It was this cute. I'm not a big dress person, but I'm getting into dresses now. So this is this real thin. It's very thin and sheer, but for some reason when I tried it on, didn't see nothing, but I still wear some other garments under it. You can wear this on the beach, you know, your swimsuit or whatever, but it's very long and it has the split and it's very cute. Has the back out right here. I tried this on, you guys. This is so freaking sexy. But yes, it's just a snake skin print. It's like a darker green with tannish color. It's really cute. Limey. Got this cute fitted dress. When I say it's fitted, it is fitted and it's stretched though. Like, it's stretched. It is so beautiful. So I got this here, and the lace up in the back. You have your back out. In the front is like the little droop part. Not so much of a big droop, but it's a little droop. It's this bodysuit. I did wear this. I should have went up in a size medium, but I got a size small. I mean, the small fit, but I could have used a medium. So I have worn this already. The picture is on my Instagram. So it just got the cutout right here on your stomach, and it's shorts, and it's very cute. And this was, I think this was about $8, you guys, like $8. I'm gonna insert the prices though, so y'all can know. But another limey item. Alter it and stitch it together to make it smaller. This whole part of the side is out, so it's kind of hard to show you guys, but it's the one shoulder little cutout right here, and the crossover like this, and all of this is out. So this is what this looks like. Another limey item, snake skin print. So that's that. I'm trying to move fast because I got a lot of stuff. The next item is another swimwear two-piece. It's the high bikini bottom, snakeskin green. I'm in love with the snakeskin print, so yeah, got this, and I got this in a size medium, I think, and these fit perfect though. Like, it fits perfect. The top is the long sleeve top, and it ties up right here, or I don't know if she had hers tied up on the model, but I tied it up right here. So I got this. It's a two-piece set, mesh sheer with the fur. It is so cute. So if you girls out there, y'all nasty, freaky, or whatever, this is perfect for you guys. I'm not, but I like it. It is so cute. I got this so I can wear like on vacation. Of course, I'm gonna wear something under this. I'm not going out like that. That's not me. And I also got this cute little skirt so I got this so I can wear over a swimsuit or even as an outfit with some black little shorts under it and all of that. So I know how to style it. It's going to be real cute. And it fits perfect. Like, I got this in a size, I think I got this in a small. No, I got this in a medium and it fits perfect. Like, when I say perfect, it fits perfecto. So the top, it ties, like you put it on like a shirt, like an open shirt, and it ties up in the middle. The top, this a medium, this baby suit is a medium. The bottom is a little too big, but I can work with it. The top, it fits just a tad bit too small. So they don't sell it separate. Like, I asked the seller, like, can I get a large in the top and a medium in the bottom? She's like, oh, we can't do that. Downer, but it's cool. So this is what the bottom looks like. It has the little ruffles going around it on the side, and it's super cute. Like, when I say this swimsuit is super cute and simple, so cute and simple. It's perfect as well. This one I think I got in size medium. Yep, I got this in a size medium. This is the top part right here, and the bottom is like a high-waisted cheeky swimwear. Like, it's very high, and then you got these straps so you can tie it how you want to, like over your stomach, across your stomach, or however you feel like you want to tie it. But this is the item. Yellow dress. I know the color picking up on camera, probably picking up a little too much, so I'm trying to, but it's actually that bright. It is super freaking cute. It's the lace-up dress, so it has the strings on the side as well as the arm, and it's off the shoulder. I have not wore this yet. I tried to wear it one night when it was going out with my friend, but I had accidentally pulled the string all the way through, and it was actually for the arm part. Like, it's kind of hard to explain, so it's stuck up here, so I gotta get it down, but it fits perfect. And I got this in a size small, so this is what this looks like. I have not worn this yet. This is this blue snakeskin print, I guess print. Yeah, it's a print, and it's in blue and cream, and it is wide leg, not so much of a wide leg, which I like, and it's pretty long. So I do have to, even though I wear it over my stomach, it's still pretty long. I am 5'4", so I'll have to wear some heels or something with it. And this top part, it just goes like this across your neck like that, and yeah, that's how it goes. And I got this set in a small. It's a swimwear bottom, a sheer thing, so like a swimsuit cover up. I got this in the slimy limey color, of course, and I got this in a medium because about a year or 2 years ago I had purchased this, and I purchased it in the small. It's a tad bit too small, so I went up to a size medium. So I got this color here, and I can wear it with some of these swimsuits or even the other swimsuits that I already have. So the next item is a two-piece set, and I have worn the bottoms already. You can check that out once again on my Instagram, fashion_ofnay. I didn't wear the top part because around that time it was chilly outside, so I didn't wear the top part yet. But this is a two-piece set. This is the bandeau top, the crop top, and this is the bottom. The bottom fits perfect in its stretch. Good material, you guys. Like, you wouldn't think this came from Aliexpress. Like, the material is bomb. Like, period, bomb. And I got this in a, I got this set in a medium. Medium for these. Don't mind my dumb dogs. It's this cheetah little print shirt. Comes like this. It has the little deep little opening right here, and then it buttons up. I don't know why I'm standing on my tiptoes up because I'm trying to show you guys. And it's long sleeve, and it's very thin though, so you can wear this for the summertime. It won't get hot. And I got this because I thought this would be very cute to wear with some shorts, since it's pretty long. And I got this, I believe I got this, I got this in a size medium because I wanted to fit big, because that's I can wear over some shorts or with some shorts tucked in, you know, that style, with some high boots, sandals or whatever. Super cute, super bomb. Like I said, y'all have to follow me on my Instagram to see how I would style these pieces. But yes, So that is it for this haul. That was a massive haul, and I actually have pretty much more stuff, like a whole lot much more. I just wore some of the stuff already, so it's in dirty clothes, or some stuff I just don't feel like getting to, so I would say that for another video. But please like, comment, subscribe, and I'm so sorry you guys for not being active, but I'm not gonna say I'm back, because every time I say I'm back, clearly I don't be back right away, you know. But please like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.